we are going to clean the bird feeders. Avian flu, different things like that. Birds getting together. Unfortunately, they can pass things. So the idea is, gotta keep helping them. So what we're gonna do is, oh, I'm ahead of myself. I want to empty this out. And take all this gunky stuff out from the bottom. But what I really want to do is I've got some, lukewarm water in there. And what I'm gonna do is add bleach to it. And it's like 10-to-1 ratio. I mean, I'm not measuring it all that well. Right now it's more about feel. I'm not gonna put a lot in there. Just dump that in. Mix it about. Wear rubber gloves. Don't hurt yourself with bleach, people. Right. So, got the bleach in. We're gonna take our feeder. And this is for the blue jays. They love their peanuts. And we're just gonna put it in there. We'll get a wire, not a wire brush, but some hard plastic bristles and just kind of brush the gunk off as much as we can and just help. Doesn't have to be every day, you're not doing this, but like once every 2 weeks you should give it a good cleaning, a little bit of bleach, and just make sure that anything that goes around didn't happen in your yard. Because they're beautiful. Our bird feeders have been up for less than a year, and it is one of the best things I have done this year is put up bird feeder. My backyard is now teeming with wildlife. I have the opportunity to see up to 8 blue jays in a day, 6 cardinals. Oh my gosh, the starlings. The finches. Oh, I really like these house finches. The goldfinches started coming around again in the winter. Really neat. So, this, I don't know if we can pop that out. It doesn't really seem like it. It's kind of lousy. So, this isn't really working out. We're gonna have to take this off screen for a minute and hang it up. Now we're gonna have to take some water on this side and try to get that gunk out. So, let's see how much we can get out this way. Try and get, as much of the gunk out before putting it into the bleach. A little more pressure seems to be yielding better results. I'm getting through those cake down seeds that are stuck. Oh, well, there we go. Didn't quite work as intended. What are you gonna do, right? So again, just a light brush. About twice or every 2 weeks, try to at least clean out the seed and that, because the longer it sits there, you can see, I mean, with the snow and that that's come, it's been getting wet, so it's a little bit harder than normal to get it out. So that is how we clean our feeders, and we're going to get these up, and hopefully with the snow coming in, we should have a great morning for some nice birds. Like, subscribe, comment, and we'll do what we can. Take care.